Hi, welcome back all to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at the Bantam because we're planning to take it to the Crofthandy Classic Motorcycle Show, which is in June. Sorry about lighting, it's not very good in my garage. Right, so let's have a look and see if we can get it going and have a quick ride round the car park near where I live and make sure it's okay, because I'm not going to have a lot of time between now and the show to actually make sure it's running all right and maybe check the tyres and that sort of thing. So let's go. Right, hopefully you can hear me. The bike's not been started for quite some time, just haven't had the time to ride it or anything. It's beginning of June now, so it's a bit of a breezy day, so let's have a look. Hopefully the tyres will be alright. Nice cheapo cover that I bought, keeps the dust off. It's fortunately it's a nice dry garage. If you're not familiar with the bike, it was restored, not by me, previous owner, 2018. I've had it now, well, it must be a couple of years now, I think, might be more. Lost track after I check out the older videos. Yeah. I've got a walk round and all that sort of thing regarding the bike if you want to track back to an early video. But today essentially it's just see if it'll start alright, check the lights, that kind of thing, and I'll take it a ride around the car park. So it's not been started for quite some time, so let's see. It's got a Japanese Mikuni carb on there, which apparently a lot better than the original BSA carbs. So we'll see. I actually put some fresh petrol in a couple of days ago, didn't start it because I was in a bit of a hurry. So let's see how we get on. Generally quite smoky to start with because the choke's out. Once it warms up and chokes off, it's not too bad. Do is take the bike up the stand and I'll put the back of the bike pointing out the garage so it doesn't smoke me to death. check the lights and things. Tyres seem a bit low, I think, so I'll get a gauge and try them out. Right, check the tyres, they were both a little bit low, so I've topped them up, and I'm going to take you for a little run around the car park and make sure it's changing gear and all that sort of thing. Okay. Right, well, there you go. It seems to be running all right. There we go. As I say, if you want to see more details about the bike, there is a video when I first got the bike. We'll talk about it and modifications I did to it, including adding indicators. Didn't have mirrors on there either. I added the little top box to carry a couple of tools and handbook around with me, and made it big enough to, actually made it from an old jewellery box, and it's big enough to carry a flask in, so which is handy when you get to a destination. Nice to have a cup of tea. So anyway, I'll be taking the bike up to the Crofthandy Classic Bike Show. There is a video for last year's show. I took the bike up there for that, so check that out. And I might do a video actually riding up to Crofthandy as well. It's only a 10-minute ride, so I may film that if I can mount the camera okay. We'll have to see on that. So next video you'll see regarding the Bantam will be the Crofthandy show, so look forward to see you there. Hello, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe as it helps us reach more enthusiasts like yourself. See you again soon.